Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ajaxx here with another video. So today I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, okay? This is the Pacific blue color, all right? So as you see here, this is the 128 gigabyte because I'm broke and I can't just be buying 512 gigabytes. Plus I have a Galaxy which I'm recording on. Yeah, so pay for this with my own money. Let's get into this unboxing, okay? So other YouTubers, I know people like to hear that sweet sound, but I don't really care. Other YouTubers have said this phone is huge. And I was like, okay, you guys are dragging it. Have y'all never seen a Note before? Have y'all never used a Note before? But I gotta remember, there's some people that are just like Apple fanboys and fangirls. So no, they haven't seen a Note. So this is the box, okay? This is actually a really nice box. I don't even know if my camera is doing it justice. So this is the Max. And this is, the iPhone 11. Okay? The regular iPhone 11. Okay? This is the box side by side. It's literally, I don't even know if that's, can't even be a quarter of an inch. Maybe a tenth. I don't even know. But this is the box height compared to the Max, okay? And when they said this box is literally thin because it ain't got nothing else in it but the phone and some stickers and a charging wire, this is the box side by side with the iPhone 11 box, okay? All right. So what everyone is here for. Oh my God. This phone is beautiful. Oh my God. Look at this. Okay, so they said the sides are a fingerprint magnet. So most likely it is. You're gonna see my fingerprints. But this phone is gorgeous. And honestly, it's not that big. Like, compared to the 11, this is it. Let me take the 11 out of its case. Hold on. Let's humor myself. This, okay, it's lined up. It's not even that big of a difference. Even the width. I don't know. And mind you guys, these are men saying that this phone is huge and they don't like the feel of it. It's too big for them. I'm a female. I mean, granted, I have some big ass hands. Oh, and here's the charger, USB-C to lightning adapter. I still have the 12-watt fast charging brick from my first iPhone. So this is it. This is what you guys have been waiting for. Boy, this is a pretty phone. All right, let's turn it on. But this is the phone. So as you can see, let me brighten it. Let's bring it up to its max brightness. Okay, so this is a great screen to be at. So you see, they said this was going to be like an edge-to-edge display. At least that's what I thought I remember hearing. An edge-to-edge display, right? And it was still going to have, the forehead here that Apple just can't get it together to seem to let go. But yeah, so it's not edge to edge. So it's not really a full 6.7 inches. Now, I've held the Galaxy Note, and that shit is huge because I'm a Galaxy fangirl. As you know, I'm recording on my Galaxy. But I said I was going to switch to iPhone for a full year when the 12 came out. And is it worth the $1,100 price tag? I just can't see it, this is a great quality build. Now, I've always liked the iPhones that were boxed out. So after I think it was the 5, so the 6, and it was rounded, I was like, oh, I really don't want an iPhone now. Like, I did enjoy the bar style phone a lot. So I'm glad they brought that back. And like everyone said, you can actually let the iPhone stand up on its own. Okay. And look at it. It's doing it. That's a beautiful shot right there. That might be the thumbnail. Anyways, but this is the device. So I just wanted to show you. Let me go to my Instagram. Hold on. I don't know which Instagram is up, you know. All right. So that's my best friend. Oh, there's another friend. She's a good friend of mine. She also has a YouTube channel, Passion Jones 12, literally same as her IG. But this is how it looks on Instagram, okay? Now, one thing I can say is the pictures on Instagram seem huge on this phone. Like, it takes up a lot of the display, okay? He's an awesome YouTuber, Twitch streamer. So I'm gonna give him some love. But this is how Instagram looks. Also, subscribe to my boy Anthony. Look at that. Look at him. He's growing. Okay, he just started his channel too. So that's dope. Kev on stage. He's funny. Love it. And this is my homegirl, Ashley's Kitchen. She be throwing down. I'll be ordering food from her. All right. So this is how the device looks. This is the quick unboxing. I know a lot of people have done unboxing. So I just wanted to give you my first impressions of this phone. This phone is not as huge as everyone is cracking it up to be. Now, my screen protector hasn't came in yet, so I'm still going to be rocking this phone because, as you see, my Spigen screen protector is on it. This thing is lovely. Mind you, I have chucked this phone once, okay? I have thrown it straight onto the floor by accident, because I thought there was something on it and it was really like a reflection of something and I was freaking out. So there's that. So I got to finish fixing up my app drawer because not everything is how it is on my 11 for some reason. So I guess I need to interact with the apps more often so they can pop up in the top. But yeah, right now I'm still waiting for my messages to transfer over. Now, everyone says the transition from iPhone to iPhone is really simple. Maybe because I'm new to iPhone, I'm just like not having the smoothest transition. So I had to back everything up to iCloud. I had to pay the $1 for the 50 gigabytes of iCloud, which I don't need. So as soon as I transfer everything over, I'm taking that crap off. But I had to upload it there and transfer it over. I tried to do the scanning of the phone, but then it was sitting here for like 30 minutes and nothing started transferring. So I was just like, okay, Apple, okay, I don't know what was happening there, but this is the phone. One thing I can say, I do like the weight of this phone. This phone now is lighter than this phone, but these phones are still heavy as fuck compared to Galaxy phones. Yes, I'm gonna keep comparing them to Galaxy phones because I do enjoy Galaxy, but what I can say is I really do like iPhones because it's just a phone. Like, I didn't realize how much I was on my Galaxy until I switched over to my iPhone. And I'm on my iPhone a lot less. So that is something that I appreciate. So I'm going to do some photos with the 11, the 12 Pro Max, and the Galaxy that I have. Just to show you some comparisons. Honestly, this phone still has 12 megapixels. I don't know what Apple is thinking of, but this is what they're still working with. Okay, so, and even the border seems almost as thick as the 11. Is it me? See, now when you put the phone like this, the phone look massive. But yeah, these are the devices. What I say to upgrade, I only would say yes if you're doing the monthly plan with your carrier. So this phone, I'm actually paying $30 a month with the 11. And the 12, I'm paying $31. That's the only difference. $1. And this one's 64 gigabytes, and this one's 128. So my Galaxy is 128 out the box. So I was like, okay, I need to get an Apple phone that's 128 out the box. But T-Mobile was buy one, get one free with the 11. Oh, I forgot the double tap screen. Was buy one, get one free with the 11. So I got the 11 until the 12 came out. And then the 12 came out. It was sold out, and then the gold color was sold out. And I was like, freak it. I'm going to get the blue because I'm going to get the Marquez skin from D-Brand. Not now. From D-Brand. I already purchased this, so I'm waiting for it to come in. I'm going to get some AirPods. I know I've been saying this for a while now, but I am actually going to get one. And I'm going to show you some gameplay on this phone. Give me a second. All right, so this is how the mobile game looks. This is just Among Us, just to show you how it looks. This looks amazing. Now, if you're someone that's into mobile gaming, right now I'm waiting for COD to download, so I'm just showing you how this looks. This is huge. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, it feels so much more comfortable moving around on this type of screen. Now, one thing I am going to add is a little analog joystick. Yeah, we're gonna do that. All right, return the game. So even with the joystick, look how great this is. Uh-oh, we about to start. Hopefully, uh-oh. I would like to be the imposter. No, I'm a crewmate. This is whack. All right. All right. I have the card swipe. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this joystick. Granted, I'm looking at this through my camera instead of the... Oh. Emergency meeting already? What is this? Okay, he's whack. All right. So that's what was happening there. So let's get into some COD. All right. So this is how it sounds at max volume. This thing is loud. Oh my god. I guess. Okay. All right.
We lost the lead.
Oh, okay. So you could change it to tap on the screen. Oh, lit. Oh, kill him.
We lost the lead.
We lost the lead because of me. Oh, nice. Oh, I had to reload. All right. So this is how it looks on the iPhone. This looks dope and it's loud as all hell. Okay? You can't tell me that this ain't loud. All right? Let's see. Mind you, I'm looking through a camera while I'm playing this. So, what? Why is it not shooting? Oh! Ajaxx, what's happening? Oh, I gotta hold it. I'm an idiot. Oh, got the kill. That was terrible. Oh, potato aim. What's happening? All right. Oh, lit. Oh, notifications. Oh, all right, guys. So that is just some of COD. All right, I'm gonna leave that. Okay, so that is just some COD, just so you can see. And these are just my apps that I have here. I put everything in the app drawer because I don't really like crap on my screen. I have my one Chrome app because I'm always going to Chrome. Safari is ass. And this is the phone in person. So I hope you guys like this. I know this is probably stupid long. Hopefully I put timestamps down below so you're not sitting here watching this forever. If I didn't, I do appreciate you guys watching this long. I'm gonna throw in a quick YouTube video just to show you how it looks, and give me 2 seconds. All right, this is my own personal YouTube video. All right, let's make sure. All right. This is on max volume. This screen is just beautiful. So that is my own video, you know, just had to show some love. But this phone is honestly, the screen is really beautiful because it finally has an OLED display. Well, the pros always had the OLEDs, but yo, Samsung makes and LG makes some beautiful screens, and Apple would be foolish to outsource anywhere else, okay? This looks really great. I wish I could show my Galaxy side by side with this so you can see the difference between a Galaxy and this. Actually, the iPhone is actually brighter than the Galaxies, at least the 12s, okay? The 12 Pro Maxes. They're actually really freaking bright. Like the whites look really white, which is really dope. Now, I can't always just like hold my hand here and then go to the top. Just got to slide my hand a little bit to get to the top area. But that's perfectly fine with me. You know, again, this is a great device, okay? If you are in the market for a new iPhone, I would recommend going with the Max, only because it's slightly bigger. Like the 11 is 6.1 and this is 6.7, but it does not feel like it. But when you play games and watch content, it definitely, you do feel it. But in your hand, you really don't feel it. Like I really can't. Look at all these notifications. Anyways, you really don't see much of a difference, especially when you throw a case on it. Come on, man. All right, guys. So I'm hopefully gonna have some photos in this video. If not, I will do another video just showing the camera differences from all the phones, doing video with the stabilization and all of those good things. Thank you guys for watching. This is Ajaxx G here. Ajaxx G out.